Hi there guys, and how's good evening to every one of you. Shout out to each every one of you. Let's do this quick. Thank you Lord for all the blessings that you gave, for all the trials and challenges that I surprised. Shout out to my family, Bicol, headed by my mother, Fred Bardo, Christine Dora, Bebe, Chicha, and Kia. Shout out to all my first viewers, celebrate your to my masterpieces. Thank you so much to every one of you. And to all my silent subscribers out there, hi. And to all my new subscribers, hello. And to my lovely countries, hi. Guys, let's continue our discussions about last night. That, aside from Megan Yang, I wasn't able. So aside from Megan Yang, I haven't seen the presence of Abigail Arenas, Tweety De Leon, Janine Barredo, Daisy Reyes, and Dindy Gallardo. I don't know. As what I have said last night, that maybe I'm late. That's why I haven't seen them. Anyway, guys and girls, aside from those things that I've said last night, I also noticed that there's this kind of flying saucer that flying on the vicinity of the dome, and it's just like there's some kind of air that when it's sorry, what I'm trying to say is there's some kind of air blowing on that particular flying saucer when it's on your, when it's in front of your, at the top of your head. And oh gosh, I'm being lost. Sorry guys, I'm being tested, and I'm being in a hurry. I have a very limited time frame. What I should have gonna say about the pageant? I love the. Sorry. I've also noticed that the question and answer portion only has only a one round compared before that. After being called the 15, what's that? 15 top 15, and then there's another second round which are the top 6, and then another question and answer. And there, as we all know, guys, there's a headphone putting on their ears. I don't know why is it like that. Why is it like that? Even on Generation East, there's no more another round for Q&A. Anyway, guys and girls, I also